Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Happy Thursday. So you see my big bag of clothes, right, that I thrifted. So as soon as I come in the house, I take my jacket off if I have these clothes, right, and I get them immediately in the washing machine. So this is me coming home from work, right? I took my jacket off and kind of threw it over the top of the washer. And I'm just, going to wash everything up. And what I'm doing is taking the tags off of everything. I'm trying to show you the label and how much I paid for it. So I feel like the silver tags were 75% off. So yeah, I wasn't mad at it. I was not mad at it. So some pretty good brands, right? Loft and things like that, right? Kind of quiet luxury, not too many labels rocking and things, just and I'm showing you that the shirt that I have on, kind of corduroy, uh, very, very soft. Oh my goodness. And that's why I was like feeling the arms and things, right? So yes on that. Oh my goodness. And it fits so nice. And it was just very cozy. And this one right here, I thought was fun. So it's a little, how do you say it? Not me. What's the wording? It's not really me, but the more and more I looked at it and held on to it in the cart, I was like, I could rock this with a pair of high-rise jeans, and it just started flowing, right? So I was like, yeah, this is the perfect, actually, weekend or thrifting kind of outfit, right? So yeah, and you can't go wrong with that traditional white button down, right? So yes on Talbots. And yeah, everything was just, I had a good time with this thrifting and I have been enjoying it so much. And I was showing you that they're wide legs. So because of my height, I rock better with wide legs and I'm petite. So if I can come across something that says petite and wide leg, oh my goodness, that is fire to me, right? So yes on that. Another pair is rocking. So yeah, and I prefer a high waist, but if I can't, then that's okay too. But it's kind of what I prefer. Oh, Yvonne moved my jacket. Oh, that's right. She came in and took my jacket so it wouldn't be in the camera. She's so helpful. So yes on that. So I'm just getting all of that in there, right? Doing a little vinegar in there, with the thrifted items. Actually, with all my clothes, really. And yeah, so now I'm in the kitchen, right? I'm still keeping it moving. I'm in the kitchen. I got Y&R, up over there. Victor Newman, I'm dropping the seasoning cap on the floor. It's a whole thing. Hold on. Sydney and Yvonne are talking. Party, yes. It's party, yes. Yeah. Yeah. I'm a camera. Yes. Yes. Tonight. Yes, girl, this our phone. Yes. So they're at the kitchen table, Sydney's space, right? And they're going over like Barbie dolls and the Ken doll. Remember the Ken doll that she bought a couple of weeks ago and she was like, he's going to the party. So I don't know what party they are going to, but I need to be at this party she's been talking about. So, oh my goodness. So that's what they were over there talking about. They going to the party. So yes on that. They were talking about eyelashes and all kind of things. Girl, oh my goodness. But I am doing chicken cordon bleu tonight. Just something quick and fast. And hubby, when he does his me time shopping, he usually will pick up 2 or 3 things, for dinner for the week, right? So this was one of them. So I'm like, okay, we didn't have this in a little bit. And it is easy. Do some honey mustard, right, on some Kaiser rolls with ham and Swiss cheese and things like that. So, yeah. So this was easy for me. So, yeah.
Stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard. But sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall.
So just taking these last two pieces out, they're relatively thin. The one is really thick, but you'll see that I have two together. That's because they're thin. And then I'll put like the ham and Swiss in between those. So yeah, we'll be good to go. So how's your week been so far? Mine's been pretty good. I can't complain. Kara had me up a couple nights. She couldn't sleep. The one day I was such a zombie, I couldn't even function. But yeah, everything's kind of back to normal now, so that's good. The Bridgerton party, the watch party was a success. This is me now getting all my things to go upstairs and get a hot shower so that I can, come down and we'll have dinner. We all ate, right? This is hubby doing his little his roly rolls, right, preparing those and everything. So after all of that, everybody's doing their own thing now. It's nice and quiet. Hubby's in the family room watching whatever show after our sit down and watch. Right now we're binge watching Everybody Loves Raymond. Yes, on Wicked. We just got it. Yes, on Wicked, and yes, on Everybody Loves Raymond. I needed comedy because the last thing we watched was His and Hers. Girl, if you've seen it, let me know. But oh my goodness, I needed comedy, laughter after that. So yes to that. But now is my time to go through the girls' communication folders and books and things, right? So it's just letting me know what they ate, how much they ate, if there was a bad day, if Kara had a little bit of a meltdown during the day, they tell me the progress or what's happening every single day. So yes on that. And once I read it over, Yvonne puts the books out for me. So once I read them over, they go back in the book bags and yeah, they'll be all ready for, tomorrow for the girls. So it's time for Miss Hershey to go out for her last walk before bed. So hubby does that. I always offer, but he's like, it's dark outside. I'm going out. So yes on that. So yeah, I'm just putting her little shacket on so she'll be good to go, right? Strapping her up. But yeah, back to the watch party, you guys. It was so fun. Oh my goodness. I told you in the last video. Oh my gosh. We just had such a good time. I mean, that girl time, right? So yes on that. You guys had me cracking up in the comments too. Like, I need to be there. Yes. It was fire. It was so fun, you guys. Oh my goodness. So they're out right now. The girls are upstairs and it is just peaceful and it's what my brain and my body needs at this time. So even though I'm doing this, I'm not stressing about it. Nobody's bothering me. I probably have my AirPods in and listening to something, maybe an audiobook or something, a show on YouTube. But I see my iPad is over there and it's not on. So I don't know what I'm listening to. But yeah, it's very calm. Somebody's talking to me. It might be Kara, I feel like. But this is how it usually goes at night. It's not too crazy. Someone might have a laundry night. No one's laundry night was this particular night. So I was able to come in and wash all of the items that I thrifted. And yeah, I'm kind of changing. I realize, I don't know, and you'll have to let me know if you want like a video on that. I'm kind of changing the look and how I rock with things and just how I'm dealing with things and all positive, all good, just how I've been moving lately, which has been, pretty fire, right? So I'm just so grateful for so many things, and you are one of them. Know that you are definitely one of them. So, yeah, it's just very calm. But oh, I broke the knob, the safety knob on the stove. That's why I was tripping, girl. Oh my goodness, hubby has to fix it. I don't think it's broke. I think it just popped off, and then I was getting mad, and because I couldn't put it back on, so it was a whole thing. But the way I'm moving and flowing, that's real time. You know what I mean? Some of the video is sped up a teeny bit, but for the most part, this is me, leisure, calm, and just relaxed, right? Just getting things ready. I'll wipe Hershey down when she comes back in. She gets a whole foot, like a mini bath. She gets her feet, her body, her everything gets gets all wiped down every single time she goes out and comes back in. It's what I do. So, yes on that.
Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo. Be careful with my heart. Oh, say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me.
So you see the clothes on Kara's chair. That was everything, that I thrifted that was in the dryer. So, time has passed, right? And yeah, so I laid them all there so I can just take them upstairs after I shut the kitchen down, right? For the most part. I say for the most part because Sydney's going to come down and have her snack. But the kitchen is clean, and so is her space for her. So that's what those clothes are doing there on a Kara's chair.
Get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall.
So, yes, on Super Bowl Sunday, I'm excited. We are all about the football over here, play by play, right? So, from beginning to end. So, yeah, we enjoy it. We enjoy watching it together. But it should be fun. It should be a good halftime show, right? And yeah, so all the halftime shows I feel like are good though. And all the commercials, right? We look forward to. So, yes on that. But yeah, I'm just over here at the coffee bar, right, wiping some things down. And I think I'm still waiting for them to come back in the house, I think. I feel like this particular night they were out longer than normal. Like Hershey wouldn't go. This snow is really, I feel so bad for the fur babies, when we walk them because their spots and things are all covered by all of this snow. And I just feel so bad for them. But I feel like this was a little bit of a longer night that they were out there. But they should be coming in shortly. But yeah, so let me see what else is going on this week. I feel like everything is cool in the gang. I'm still hyped from the Bridgerton watch party. Miss Girl, oh my goodness. Yeah, that was a good time. That was a good time indeed. Oh, there she is. She comes running into her mama. So I'll take her shacket off and everything, and I'll wipe her down, all the good parts and and all the things, right? And she knows, she just stays right there. She loves it. She loves it so much. She's so spoiled. Oh my goodness. Look at her. My baby girl. And then I'll tell her to sit and give her treat, right? Yes, on that. She's so good. So, yeah, we're pretty much at the end, right? I'm just going to get the vacuum out and, get a couple of these crumbs up off the floor. I don't know what hubby is watching in there. Girl, I don't know. He on his chill. The girls upstairs chillaxing, right? So yeah, I'm gonna just do this floor real quick and take it on up for the night. And I mean, it doesn't end there. Once I go up, I'm hanging out with the girls. And when I go upstairs, Sydney is usually sitting on my bed watching like some type of Sesame Street where they're singing, or she'll pull up like Descendants or Encanto, something musical. So that's what she's waiting for me when I come upstairs. And then, Kara's back and forth. So yeah, it's a whole fun thing, mommy and me time, right? So yes on that. So yeah, all right, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on Sunday. Bye.
And I know that you really tried to protect it. I know that you really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once. For once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once. For once. But sometimes you fall. 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 Sometimes you fall.